Watch this video and learn how to draw a polar bear on an iceberg.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You sound nice and happy.
Yeah.
That's good.
What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
We're going to draw a polar bear.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
I know you love bears,
Yeah.
especially polar bears.
Oh, Artie loves.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
The pleasure is all mine.
Well, thank you, Mikey and Betty. Should we start?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's start the drawing.
Hey, Betty, I wonder what Artie's gonna create today.
I'm sure it will be fabulous.
Let's start by drawing a circle in the middle of the page on the left side. Excellent. Now let's draw another circle on the right side, just beside the first one. Very good. Now let's draw little black dots inside those circles. If you like, Artie, we can watch some YouTube videos about polar bears later on.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we'll do that later on after you finish this drawing. Now let's draw some eyebrows above the eyes. Just two little black triangles, one on the left and one on the right. Now let's draw a half circle all the way across above the eyes and above the eyebrows from the left side to the right side.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Now we're going to draw some little zigzag shapes on the left cheek of our polar bear. And again on the right side, just little curvy zigzag shapes. This makes it look like the polar bear's fur. Let's connect the left side to the right side with half a circle.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw our polar bear's nose. A simple circle between the eyes. A smaller circle inside, and then shade in the outer area black, but leave the smaller circle white. Now let's draw a big round ear on the left. That's it, Artie. Perfect. And now let's draw a big circle on the right side for the right ear.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
And now a smaller circle inside the ear. One on the left, and of course, one on the right. Let's give him a mouth. Let's draw an oval shape coming down from the nose all the way to the chin, and then back round and up to the nose. Let's draw a little smiley mouth at the bottom of the oval. And then a straight line coming from the mouth going up towards the nose. Yes, really good, Artie. Let's draw the body of our bear. A big curved line on the left side, and another big curved line on the right side.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast.
Draw a little hook on the end of the left line, and then curve up towards the chin. Let's do the same on the right side. Now he has two front paws. A little line in between them. Oh, it's looking great. You'd really like a joke break? Okay, let's have a joke break. Go on.
All right.
right, welcome back to the Comedy Club. I'm your host, Mikey Marker. In case you don't know, I'm the star of the Artie show. Just don't tell Artie. All right, let's start it off with some jokes about animals. So, why did the leopard stop playing hide and seek? It's because he's always spotted. All right. What do you call a pig that does karate? A poke chop.
Mikey Marker is so funny.
All right, what kind of sandals do frogs wear? Open-toed.
Open-toed. Oh, Mikey. Very funny. Okay, Artie, come on. Let's get back on with the drawing.
Okay.
Let's draw our polar bear's back legs. A little oval shape coming from the left side of the body, and then a curved line going up towards the top. And there's his back leg. Let's do the same on the right side.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
Now we're going to draw a little piece of iceberg that our bear is sat on. Let's draw a jagged, spiky line all the way around from the left side to the right side. That's the top edge of our iceberg. Very good, Artie. Now we're going to draw lots of straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the page. Then connect them together at the bottom.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
That's right, Artie. Go all the way around towards the left until you're finished. Perfect. Now what else could we add? Oh, he's had an idea. Oh, you're drawing a little cloud, Artie. And a sun. You're finished. Well, I can't wait to see how you're going to colour this one in. There's a lot of white.
Fantastic. Great job.
Just amazing.
You're finished? Wow, it looks really good, Artie. I love his pink rosy cheeks. And the yellow sun.
Bye, Artie.
Hey, kids, have a great day.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Have an Artie day.